Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome guys, and in today's video we'll be learning more how you can be able to earn passive income online. It's actually very easy. Using this method you can actually be able to earn money using your device. Either you have that is a personal computer or what you call a PC, or you have an Android device or an iPhone. When you are free, you can actually be able to earn passive income on this website. It's a legit website that I have actually tested, and I can actually testify that actually this website works. You can be able to earn between that is $100 to up to $500 in a week, depending on the number of tasks that are available on the website, and also depending on your availability and also the kind of device you are using, because there are some tasks that will need you to have a laptop. There are some tasks that will need you to have that is an Android device or an iPhone device. So depending on the device you are using and also the types of tasks that you are actually doing, you can actually be able to do this task on this website. It's an easy website that actually, even if you don't have past knowledge about this website, you can be able to work on this website and earn money from it. So the website itself is Toroka Yandex. I'll actually leave the link in my video description, and also I'll also pin it on the comment section, so that anybody who is interested with this website can actually visit this website and earn some money. So if you check the site, the website is Toroka Yandex. Actually, you can actually even download that is Toroka Yandex application from Google Play Store, and you'll find you can go through the review. This app on Google Play Store, it has over 10 million downloads, meaning this is a working website. You can also check that is the review from different people from different locations, and you can see people are actually earning on this website. Myself, I have actually tested this website, and before I show you the various tasks that you can do on this website and the most well-paying task, I can first of all take you to my profile and take you direct to history, where you can be able to see how much I have actually been able to earn on this website. As you can see, I have worked on this website for like almost a week. It's over a week now. This is the second week that I'm working on this website, and you can see I have been able to complete a total task of 6,324 tasks. I have only had 4 tasks rejected. Currently, I do not have any tasks that is under review, and I have been able to earn myself $174.39 US, and all this money I was paid on my PayPal account. It's very easy. You might see that these are so many tasks, but actually one task takes less than 30 seconds to complete. That some other 30 seconds, others 1 minute, depending on the size of the task. So it's a legit website. You can see I have been able to earn good amount of money, and as you can see here, my balance is 0. What you see here, the green balance, this is the available balance that you can actually withdraw to your account. The other one, these are the balance that is under review. Currently, I don't have any other review. Everything is approved. I have already withdrawn to my account. So if you go to the task that you can actually perform, you have seen that I have been able to complete over 6,000 task. Actually, it is very easy. You can see, for example, this task, every single task paid 0.03, and you can do a maximum of $5. If you can check, for example, on this task you can be able to complete one task in less than 1 minute. So meaning, let's say you are doing one task within 1 minute, and you have decided to work on this, or to take task on this website for 1 hour. So in one hour you'll have completed over around 60 tasks. So if you multiply 60 tasks by 0.03, you'll find that you'll have earned yourself $1.8. That is almost close to $2 within 1 hour. So it's a legit website. So in case you don't have anything that you are doing at home, or you are just relaxed, you are just chilling out, you don't have a job, you can actually visit this website and earn some money. So in case, for example, you come to this website and do this task for like 3 hours, you'll find yourself either around $6 on this website just doing this task alone. There are also some other tasks which are well paying. We have even some which are paying even up to $1. I don't know if there is any which one is currently available now. Yeah, you can see, actually you can see one. This task pays $1, so you just need to take at least 10 photos of your face and upload on this website and earn yourself $10. There are certain things that will tell you to do, so you just need to follow those instructions and earn yourself $10. We have even some tasks that pays even $2, $3, $1, $0.5, $0.1. So it all depends with the device you are using and also time, because at different times we have different tasks. So on these tasks we have even some tasks that you can actually complete even in less than 30 seconds. So if you are on this website on 1 hour, you can actually be able to earn yourself a lot of money. Actually, myself, when I was working on this website, I used to for the past few days I have been on this website. I have been working for between 2 to 3 hours on this website, and I have been earning myself between, that is, $20 to $50 in a day. So by the end of the day, or by the end of the week, you'll have yourself over $200. That is, in a day you can make yourself between let's say from $10 to $50 on this website. So all you need to do, for example, these tasks, you just need to click here, start, and then read the instructions that are written down, then do some training. After you are done with the training and you have passed the threshold for the training, you'll be able to access now the paid task. You can see this one, for example, you can go to earn yourself up to a maximum of $8.92, and this is something that you can do in less than, for example, like 2 to 3 hours, and you are done. We have another task here which you can go to which pays at a maximum of $18.32. So these are tasks that are actually paying. Don't see as if like 0.05 is little amount of money. Consider the time that you'll take to complete these tasks. For example, you can see here you are given a range of 1 to 5 minutes to complete this task. So for example, if you are submitting at this task after every 1 minute, so in 60 minutes, how many tasks will have you complete? You have completed, that is 60 tasks. So if you multiply 60 tasks multiplied by 0.05, so but within 1 hour you'll earn yourself $3. So in case you don't have anything you are doing, you are just relaxed at home, you can actually take advantage of this website and earn yourself some money. When it comes to withdrawing money on this website, you can actually be able to withdraw on different platforms. For example, for my case, you can see I normally use PayPal. You can also use Papara or even Payoneer. Payoneer is very common, especially to those people who are freelancers. You can actually create this account. They are free accounts. You don't have to pay for anything. So you just need to create a Payoneer account or Papara account or a Skrill account or a PayPal account and be able to cash out your money from these websites. So that's all I have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll actually bring some other website. I also have some other website that I'm using to earn passive incomes. We have, for example, Fiverr. I'll actually create a video on how you can be able to create a gig on Fiverr and how you can be able to rate your Fiverr, so that when anybody search a gig related to what you are doing, you can actually be ranked in the first page on Fiverr. We also have some other platforms like Remotasks. I think I have done a video on Remotasks. You can actually check on Remotasks. You can also be able to earn money on Remotasks. I've also done some videos on crypto, how to trade on Binance. So kindly, guys, subscribe on this website, on this channel, so that you can be able to give you more and more sites that you can actually be able to use them and earn passive income. Actually, on this website, you don't need to invest even at a coin. So just give it a shot, give it a try, and don't forget to leave a like. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.